It's time to rethink. So many courses, so little time. Fortunately, or unfortunately, if you suffer like I do from shiny object syndrome, most of them are basically identical. They don't have anything unique to say, and so I find myself skimming them and getting bored as I do. For those who remember the days before Windows, we had DOS, and there were probably at least 100 DOS shells or graphic ways to interact with DOS. We even had a term for it, YADS, yet another DOS shell. That's what it feels like with these courses, yet another course. Well, every now and then you get to see something that's, well, a unicorn, something unique and extraordinary. And boy, this one was an eye-opener. It's not that they didn't cover the basic stuff. They did that quite well. It's that they didn't stop with the basics and shared some truly revolutionary ideas. So now it's up to you. Do you want to see why I was so shocked by this thing? Do you want to finally succeed in this business, or would you rather say, nah, I don't need anything and I'll just muddle along with the same old, same old? Click the link below and grab your complimentary mini course.